Hi, I'm Anand, and this is my sound design demo reel using Unity's 3D game kit and Wwise. All the sounds you hear were made by me, some using Soundly samples, and I handled all the Wwise integration and C# coding myself. I started by designing weapon swing sounds using pink noise and humming electronic textures processed through a Doppler effect plugin to achieve that sci-fi whoosh sound. I recorded jacket sounds and layered them with Soundly samples to create these footstep sounds for different terrains. I used dog barks and grunts, then processed them through a dehumanizer plugin to create the chomper attack sounds. The destructible sounds were made from stone break samples and I layered them with some debris sounds. I used 11 Labs text to speech model to generate dialogue lines for the character.
I wonder what those massive door crystals are for. I should look around for some more switches.
Ha! Yeah! Yeah! Yes, I recorded my own voice to create the emote sounds for the character and used AI voice changer after cleaning and isolating the sounds with RX.
Hup! Yeah. Hup! Hup! Yeah. Hup!
After creating the sounds, I built a Wwise session where I organized all the samples and created events for each sound trigger in the game. Then I moved into coding using C# in Unity and scripting Wwise API calls directly in my code editor. For example, I used Unity's raycast to detect surface under the player, and I used simple if-else conditions to trigger game syncs directly instead of relying on Wwise components. So instead of creating multiple box colliders for every terrain, I send a set switch call from the code itself, and it saves a lot of time and resources. I followed the same approach in Chomper's code and implemented Wwise event triggers across several other scripts in the project. In this final part, you will see the gameplay along with the Unity console, which I used to trace the objects triggering events. And on the right, the Wwise profiler shows event calls, CPU usage, and memory budget in real time.
Yeah. Hup! Yeah. Hup! 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 Yeah. Hup! 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 Yeah. Hup! 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 Yeah. Hup! 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 Yeah. Hup! Hup!